Okay, the problem which we're going to use over here will illustrate three of the rules of PL. So our theorem, our derivation will be, let's suppose if h of x is human, m of x is mortal, will be something like all humans are mortal, someone is a human, therefore someone is mortal. So I'll put show conc. And now going along sort of mindlessly, I'll put PR1 universal instantiation x, PR2 existential instantiation x also. I want x because I want to be able to derive m of x by modus ponens. Basically, I'm looking at this and I'm seeing I've got h of x, I've got h of x arrow m of x, and that will give me m of x from which I can apply existential generalization. Or at least that's my thinking. But, oh, wait a minute, something went wrong. By doing this mindlessly, I have over here that x is not a new variable. So remember, when you use existential instantiation, you must always use a variable that does not occur on any line above or on any premise that's been cited. So I need to change this to something else. Now suppose I change this to z, and I now change this to z. I'll just cross that out, change that to z. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it didn't say anything. But when I check it, it will still notice it. Why? Because z over here occurs in line 2. So the only way to get around this is basically to have the existential instantiation always occur before any other move that might involve that variable. So let me delete this. And now I'll put PR1 instead over here, universal instantiation z, and now everything is okay. Notice it's happy now. And now I can continue with my proof. And now things get very easy. 2, 3 modus ponens. Basically, as I said earlier, I saw I had h of x. I had h of x arrow m of x. I just had to get the right variables. Now I have the right variables, I can apply modus ponens, and now I can do existential generalization. I'll go to y, but now notice it will ask me which of the occurrences do I want to be replaced, since I can replace any from none to all. So I'll put Alt1 for Mac users, that's option 1, and now that's 5 DD. And now when I check it, it should be